Mic check. Hello. Might have got in too early. I think we'll be okay, but I wasn't paying attention. Mic check. Alright, sweet.
Just checking this voice. Alright. Bully Bears.
Okay.
Just one simple lie caused me to lose 23 prop firm challenges. Yes, you heard that right. 23. How many of you lost now? Are you sick of it? Well, here's the cold hard truth. I was following the exact same lie that you're probably believing right now, and that is to risk 1 to 2% per trade. That's what all the
I got in a little bit too early on here. I was trading from my phone and didn't realize that this was so small. I probably wouldn't have taken that. And this one, I was waiting to see if this was going to go above, and it didn't. So it might cruise down a little bit. See the 853s? But if it takes out any of these, I can't hold that far. Two crowns, ouch.
Do you want me to do the crowns for you?
Still no fair value gap except for up here, 900s.
You could skip the dentist and I'll do the crowns for you. Muhahaha.
Yeah, I got in a little too early. I still think I'm gonna be okay, but I don't want it to fucking drop while I'm holding it. This is probably divergent. I thought I was trading on my phone while I was waiting, and I thought this was a big enough fair value gap, and it was so tiny. But I think we're towards the end. I don't know if it wants 853s or... Nvidia's the only green one? Shit. Mr. Bassett, good morning. I'm in longs, but I got in too early. It was my mistake. I will say the proper entry when I see it to go long. I think it's because I'm doing the windowed OBS, so I can get the full thing on here. I think my TikTok is clear though, and everything else. I have to look that up. I'll look that up now actually. This Copilot's amazing. On Windows, I'm like, I don't know why I haven't been using it before. Brooklyn! Why is my Discord blurry when using OBS? Windowed screen. I still don't see it yet. There's still the only fair value gap up here is 900. Says to use for now, we'll just do this. I got in long up here. I thought it... I'm sorry. Where the hell was I? I got in long right here. And then I added into it a little bit. 903s was the tiniest fucking fair value gap. I was on my phone. I guess I had it too fucking zoomed in. That's too small. So we're waiting for another one to appear to break above. The only one I see now is 900s. 1 minute. think I'm gonna be okay. I just I fucked up on the bottom. If I see it again, I'm gonna point it out. If it continues down, it might continue down here. I'm not sure yet. Let's see if we're at the 50. Okay, so we're on the 61 on this one. What trade did you take, Brooklyn? Go to tools, start virtual camera. Maybe this will work. Let's see. Cyrus? I'm just trying to change my camera here. Devices. Maybe that's better. Let's see. Looks more clear. Very good. I've only taken one trade, a short on NAS. I'm up 300 for today. Fucking sweet. Yeah, I normally would have taken these shorts. Actually, I wouldn't because it's still choppy. This one probably would have been a loser. And then this is all over the place. Might have been another loser. But this indicator I'm hoping would stop some of these. I will be up. You shall see. I'm wondering if it's going to be up here. We're not sure yet. I'm not sure. It would be awesome. Hey, Aztec, do I look more clear on Discord? Cool. I'm telling you, you guys got any questions for programs? Just go to that Copilot that's attached to your PC. It like knows every program. Fucking sweet. Yeah, the London low. What's the London low here? I don't even know. $904s. Exactly where I entered. Welcome to the dungeons. $22,710. It probably refers back to this. London. There we go. I think this is a good, oh my god. Why did my, TikTok do that? It says I'm referring the people off the page. kill it. If not, I'll have to restart it.
99% traders fail because of 3 reasons. Over leveraging, emotional
Still really choppy. Let's see if it comes and takes these lows real quick and then goes up. $22,646. The Asian lows. Yeah, that's fucking far though, dude. Did you long it or short? Oh, you're short. Got at one break even, 880. So it needs to break through this and hold if it wants to continue down. But it's been confusing me every time. It looks like it wants to go up and it doesn't. Always good to be green before you leave. I feel like you're trying to psych yourself up, bro. For the dentist.
I told you I could do it for you. Just take a little off the top.
Nice. Noise. It's got to get above this. 889. Let's kind of go right back and forth and drive me cuckoo. Is there any news? I don't think there is today, really. No. Iran's foreign minister to visit Saudi Arabia. Canada's PMI was much higher. The US and Japan agreed to continue vigorous talks on tariffs. Oh, there we go. Get to that low. Trump Media and Technology ETF will hold Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, Kronos, and Ripple directly. If that's not a sign for you, then I don't know what is. Coming to all these ETFs to go out on Kronos and stuff, and Ripple. Ooh, this is far. I guess it's going right to that spot. I don't want to hold too much. Fuck yeah, it's good. 600 in and out, baby. I like it. Killed it. Dentist is paid off. Well, actually, that's probably fucking more than that. Sad. such an idiot. I should have never got in that early. These are huge sweeps. I don't think I can handle that. I don't want to handle that. Half of it, I know. That shit's so expensive, dude. It's ridiculous. So we needed to close above here, 876, to go back up. That was almost Asia loan in your chart. They're gonna reject here or blast through. White lines the Asian low. I do that a long time ago. I drew this. So wherever the fuck it is, it's got to be something important. It's funny how they all play out like that. Alright, we made a green, a bullish fair value gap here if it holds. We still need to get above this A75s.
This is a live P&L from my real cash account trading MNQ futures, and this was done using a
So dying's still pretty good. Yeah, it's a green screen. Why, something fucked up on it? Okay, good. Still learning, still learning. Yeah, I mean like custom backgrounds and shit. I wish I could make it bigger, but they limit you so much in this. It says Bully Bear's Trading Dungeon, and then it's got some stock charts on PC with like NQ and all that stuff, kind of like in the cage. It's pretty fucking awesome. Make sure I can be seen still. It says that I'm not in violation. I think it's gonna go up, guys. It closed above that fair value gap. I don't want to fucking put too much in, but I'm going in.
Order filled.
One more. Actually, two more.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in. Now, does it want this high or does it want the fucking real high? No clue. We're gonna figure that out. I do not see myself up on the Discover page, which is fucking awesome. They hating on me, bro, all the time. I gotta restart. Not, just end live and restart it, guys. Okay? Just come right back. Literally restarting. Come right back on. Oh, now it's saying unoriginal content. Is that why everybody's been putting original content in their on their screen? I might have to put original content somewhere. Ay, 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 man. This thing is too fucking much. Does everybody else have that too? Ridiculous. Fucking mooning though, boss. Bro, it's out to get me. You're fucking right. I don't get it.
My social calendar forced me to rely on takeout. Factor helped me take control over what I'm eating and spending on takeout.
That's why somebody was messaging me like, why don't you have original content? I'm like, what are you talking about? I am original. Who the fuck's out here fucking wearing a Bully Bears mask? Well, I don't even want to jinx myself, say that. Let's see. I mean, I'm still on the feed. How about this? Original content. Fuckers. still good. As long as these fair value gaps keep holding up, it should continue up. We do have a bear 3 here because it's in this big zone. That's it. Doesn't mean it's going down, but it says be cautious.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Original content. I am fucking original, mother effers.
To the moon. All right, if we look at this, we broke this high. The next one is up here. Let's do this, and then we'll do, because there is some little highs here, you know?
Order filled. Order filled.
I would say we're good at least for 949, right? What do you guys think? Get I can't even fucking take it serious.
Put him in the fucking dungeon. Put him in the fucking dungeon. Original my ass. Put him in the dungeon.
I just got another restricted. It says your live is not eligible for recommendation and restricted in the search results because it contains unoriginal or reproduced content. Fucking out to get me, guys. They don't like me making money in front of you guys. It's the fucking market makers. They're after me. I just appealed it. Let's see. Pulling back. We're going to see how this fair value gap reacts. Nice pop, right? I knew it was coming. I just got in a little bit too early, guys. That's all it was. Got in just a little bit too early. Imagine I fucking actually did it right here. Boom. I mean, we added into it. I still would have liked to actually got that as the real entry, because it was super easy to read for me. Unoriginal. What the fuck? I guess I gotta put original somewhere. him in the bathroom. So this would be an order block, wouldn't it, right here? Right when we're in what we're into.
Creators, looking for an edge over the competition? Get 50% off and stand out with just a click.
Alright, we don't want to hold it. If it closes below this, okay, it did. So we're gonna take this out.
Order filled.
Damn, hoping to get out of this. It's only $10 on my Express that I'm risking right now. Let's see if it comes up just a little bit. If not, we'll just close it. So I don't like this as a top. This could pull back and then come up to 955s eventually, I think. How about that? Did I spell original right? Why does it look weird? $1,300? It's fucking amazing. Looks amazing. This might continue up, motherfuckers. Damn it. Mr. Holmes. What's good? Why can't I see your guys' names better? This guy says, I'm up 1,300. He says, I'm down 1,300. Both of you guys, if you're up that much, you might be sizing too much. So just be careful. Unless you're, you know, you got a large
Daddy?
count.
Is that you?
Ooh, got a follower. Let's see.
Eaton? Shaq. Eaton Shaq. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading. Dang, this shit went right down.
Order filled.
That was a sympathy bounce. Let's see if it wants to go up a little bit. I missed it on this one a little bit. Fuck. I feel like it wants to go up just a little bit.
Order filled.
It's a
Order
sympathy
filled.
bounce, so go light. Could go down more. Literally just a gamble play here. Let's see.
Order filled.
I took a long for a sympathy bounce.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, so we're out. Toss up X and affiliate. Because this can easily go back up. The 5-minute got rejected. It might have just been a liquidity grab in that way. Because I still think we need to take out these highs. 957s. Could even go up to higher, but I'm not sure yet. You know, when we get there, we get there. Find what? Holmes. You sent it to me? Well, you privately messaged me? Let me see. Oh yeah, AI, let's see. I'm not gonna use it on stream, but I can check it out for you later. AI enhanced. Am I looking at the right name? Did you make it public?
Energy is the life, the love is energy, the art is energy, and I want that my
Chris.
object give the energy to the ambient. Ah, because you use bicycle. Okay.
Did not see it on here, brother. I see your link you gave me. What's it called, AI? I'll have to check later, dude. It's not coming up in the search. I see that when I click on it. On a different web page. It says open script though. Should be. So technically, if this was come back down, it should go to 863. Looks like it's pulling back to the 50. Let's try the 30-second real quick. I want this big one. Okay, so we almost touched. So yeah, if you're using Bully Bear's balance and you want to see like a certain swing point, just change your.
Daddy? Is that you?
C5. Ooh, who sent me the rose?
Eating Shaq? You make me feel special inside. Thank you for the flowers. I heart you.
You're the man, bruh. All right, let's see if it goes down. This would be it right here. 862s. Oh, Trump just said tariffs will start being paid on August 1st. There will be no change to the date, and there will be no changes. Sympathy bounce.
Order
Let's
filled.
see.
Order filled.
I don't think that's the bottom yet, so I'm literally just gonna scalp this.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Paying attention. It was a buy just for a scalp. Did take out this low. Let's see if it at least gets a sympathy. I don't know if this is if it's considering the low break. If anything, it has to break above 893s to make it officially going back up. Trump speaking. Oh, Trump speaks in 5 minutes. This might go down more, guys. Let's see.
Looking to make 2025 the year that you create your best practice tracks. With Splice, I'm starting the year.
Needs divergent. This part isn't, but we should at least get to 891s maybe. Sorry if I'm not talking, just later, Aztec.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Very nice, very nice. Okay. Chip 50 balance, baby. I'm sorry. You think once every test I should go in for a short? No. So when it sweeps the bottoms like these, you have to see how far away from the cloud. And it can't be breaking above fair value gaps. It starts doing that. That was the Asian sweep Brooklyn was waiting for. So it was just a little bit lower, huh? So you think it's going to continue up? A dream. It's been a while, bro. I don't know, you tell me, ready? Let me make it more like I'm
staring into you. You told me what color. I see everything.
all over. Fucking work, right? Fucking job. Let's see. You've been everywhere. You gotta bounce. Yo, change NQ to MNQ. Don't rush it. If it takes an extra 2 days to pass, at least you got your money. You got what I'm saying? Right now, you're spinning your wheels because it's too deep. You could have been right. It's just your sizing's too much. Go to MNQ. You can see me. I'm trading MNQ. Because you're going to be wrong. You're going to be wrong. And no, my eyes are, I don't know. They're brown and then they change in the summer to like a hazel. Yeah, this shit just fucking ripped up, huh? We're gonna go one more. Cross of this VWAP. Two more.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Brooklyn, you think this is gonna sweep the highs? Yeah, they're brown in the winter, hazel in the summer. Change with the sun.
Mr. Sun. Sun. What's the rest of the words? Shit. Mr. Daily Sun. Come shine down on me.
So you think it's gonna go to the highs? What do you think the highs are here? 942s or this 956? Ooh, it's coming back on me. It just denied VWAP. Trump is speaking, so be careful. China wants to deepen cooperation with the UN. 1-year inflation expects to fall to 3% in June from 3.2. Okay, that's good. Cash balance rise to 500 billion. This is gonna go back and forth, guys. This might come back down to here. I don't really want to fucking hold it there. Let's see how it reacts to this fair value gap. And also, Shaq, the one that you're showing me, right? So, the entries that you made, do you see a swing point? I see that your blue line is there. I don't know what that blue line is though. 22,890? Let's see. Is that the low of the orb? See, the orb didn't play out. If you're going to change the orb, you got to learn price action a little bit better. So, yeah, that was a reversal, but that reversal hammer needs to be closer to that orb. And then the next candle needs to break above it. So you need follow through if you were to do that strategy. So you see that orb, the second half? No, I can't even see. 11 o'clock? Let's see. Can't even explain that one. Alright, so that, fair value gap held, guys. It's continuing up. Yeah, just learn price action a little bit better next to that orb if that's your strategy that you're going to use. Also, it is very up and down, you know, Trump saying wild stuff. So you could have been right in the past But when he's speaking, sometimes it'll whiplash it back and forth. Yeah, it's tripping a little bit. And it got me a tiny bit in the beginning. But I knew it was gonna reverse. I just got in a little bit too early. So sometimes it happens. Let's see. Lady Swan. The best.
What if I said you could lose 8 pounds without eating food like this? Factor is my favorite hack for losing weight.
I'm just gonna nickname you the best. Let's see. At least the London highs. London high is 22,775. That's what I'm aiming for right now. Just watch out for the 1 minute head and shoulders. I don't see the head and shoulders on here. I see it reversed. You see this? This is the reverse. This is the neckline. Well, I'm lying. That would be the neckline. Something ain't right. Something ain't right. Oh yeah, it is here. Okay. See this? I see this head and shoulders. Shoulders. Head. Shoulders. Break. Retest. Up. Micros, Drew. Only because you can make a shitload of money and it's going to take you an extra day. So, 15-minute demand, knees and toes. Let's see. On the upside? Or, I can see it going down too there. But then you zoom out a little bit. And it looks like it just pulled back and it's going up. I know there's lots of different moves here. I'm sorry, back to the eval question. Depending on what eval you have too. So Apex 90% off sale. It's like $16 for a 50K account. Yeah, I'm fucking going balls to the wall on that because you can pass it in one day. Now Top Step X is $50 right off the bat, and then another $150 to bring it up. My opinion, MNQ, cut half of your entries in, because you're gonna be wrong. Remember that. The best people in the world, some only have 50% win rate. Me,
I don't count, because, I'm a market maker.
no, I got, for the entire month, I did have an 82%. I just gave back some of it, sizing down. So I had a win rate. It was much higher. It's just that I guess it's counting my, you know, when I average into it a little bit, it'll take that entry, which is stupid. But for today, I got a 72.44 the entire week. The entire month, I got a 72.44. It wasn't 80%, like fucking an hour ago. So just sizing down brought that. All right, we're about to go up, I think. Little flag here. Definitely gonna get to these highs, I think. So yeah, that's my opinion, and that's my personal experience. Depending on the price and how long it takes. So Top Step X, right? You need 2 days of winning. 2 days. So no matter what, you can't rush it. You got 2 days. So you might as well size down a little bit. At least if you know, you can't, for some reason you can't help it. You know, do one NQ, or I like to do MNQ because you can size in a little bit if you're a little bit wrong. Don't size in too much. You know, make a limit. You know, if you want to do 10 micro contracts on Top Step X, that's fine. Just realize that you can be wrong, but at least it won't kill your account in one setup. It's not. I'm sorry. I was just Apex is not doing 90%. They have 80% off. But I was just making an example, like the 90% off. Yeah, I will go balls to the wall and, you know, wing it for the 1 day pass, because it costs what, $13, $16 around there for a 150 count, K count. Now remember, it does cost like $130 to activate it. And then you should slow it down. So you need to have the right mindset for both. You can't keep that same gamble wing it. You will be wrong. You will be wrong. So a lot of these traders, sometimes they're able to combine them all and show you the profit. So some of them showing you like 20,000. Sometimes you're only making $200 an account, which is nothing. I do it with my fucking eyes closed. So, just not literally, just, you know, shooting the shit, bro. So this, if you have more accounts and you trade smaller, you can size down and still make more money. So the more accounts you have, as long as you're disciplined. The only problem I don't recommend that is, let's be honest, a lot of you guys are new. A lot of you guys are still going with your emotions. You got 10 accounts. That's quite a bit of money. Quite a bit of money to activate them all. So if you were able to control yourself and do that, that's the best way. So you pretend and try to make $200 a day. 200 times 20 accounts is 2,000. Say you made 500. You're at fucking, what was that, 5K? It's a lot of money. Bullnox is also 80% off. I have not fucked with other ones yet. I hear nothing but good things on Bullnox. I'm not sure if you guys use it or what's their activation fee. I heard it's a little bit cheaper, like 90 altogether maybe. On Discord, does everything still look crisp? I had to change a different way. Oh, you see my head like a fucking swivel, right? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Most of them are just separate programs. Don't think they're all like, don't think they're all trading screens. This is all I really need is right here. You know, I'm very quick with a 5 minute, 1 minute. I do have Top Step X on a different screen for my Express. So bro, my heating bill is insane. It's fucking July. Activation around 140 for Bullnox. Gotcha. And And I don't know the rules too, like they have like, you know, 2 days, 1 day. Looks like it wants to go up, but I think Trump is still speaking, guys. U.S. Treasury Secretary will skip the upcoming G20 finance meeting in South Africa. I wonder why. I can't get political on here. Still waiting. I'm down 40 bucks on this trade. Dwight, I look stupid with my head like a swivel. I look possessed. This is what I feel like.
The demons. Why? Stop speaking to me. Why?
There's something wrong with me. Man, my shit is really fucking not being recommended. So annoying. We'll try one more time with this. It keeps saying I have unoriginal content. If I don't get any more, I'll have to restart TikTok, unfortunately. Alright, we're right into that fair value gap. But it's right in the middle, so like it's whatever. It's only 2 contracts. It might slowly burn down to this A69s. So that's what I'm saying, don't size up too much. Where's your stop loss? Sorry.
This is a live P&L.
Okay, so that's not bad.
Cash account trading
I would
MNQ
slide it down a
futures.
little
This
bit.
was done using
You're
a
probably just
fully
wiped out right now,
automated
didn't you?
trading system. This was all done totally hands-free. I didn't have to spend hours staring at my chart. I'm not
My
letting
bad.
emotions get the best
This
of me.
is
This has
it was holding the fair value gap, but I'm okay to hold this to the 869, see if it wants to bounce, and maybe I'll add into it, because this is an order block right here. 867s, right into my bully bears bounce indicator. Your calls are working. Show me a screenshot. I'm gonna buy, but I'm not, Ram. Just give me a moment. We're gonna see if it comes here, and then we'll see if it rejects, and we'll get in more here. This was more of a gamble-ish play here. We caught this uproar. Okay, let's see. What's your S9 and S8? Are those entries or no? Nice. Just don't size up too much, dude. Gotcha. Alright, let's see what happens here. If we can close and then we start breaking above fair value gap, I'll add 2 more. Then that will be the real entry. Let's see if I can... Let's see if I'm discoverable. TikTok does not fucking like me. Look how choppy this is on the 5. You might want to take the lows out too. We gotta wait. I sent you the directions. Most of the time you gotta go into Tradeovate and then go to add-ons and turn on your trading view. Also, take Profit Trader. For some reason, I have had trouble in the past where they had to reset on their end. Okay, close above 880 would move this up. But it might want to come back down. Just give it some time here, guys. It's giving me mixed signals. Trump must be speaking. Somebody's speaking. Just give it a moment. Gold is extremely oversold on the 1 minute. So this is the order zone. We're bouncing on it. Let's see how it reacts. On the 5 minute, this is still the bounce zone. 1 minute, it also is the bounce zone. It just it recalculates. Okay, starting to reject. We needed to close in 10 seconds. If it closes above this, then I'm going to add into it. All right, it's going above. I don't want to chase it. Still got fucking 40 seconds left, guys. Might just add 1 in.
Order filled.
Order
Just in
filled.
case, because sometimes it just runs away. Okay, it's coming back. Ha! How the fuck you gonna come back that much? Got 30 seconds left. Need to close above this. 869s. 17 seconds. I just didn't want it to run away and get a weird spot to fill in. Insane. Bro, it closed below it. Close below it. Let's see if it tries it again. 40 seconds left. Seven seconds. I think we're good.
Order filled.
See if it pulls back just a little more. I'm gonna add one more. If it comes back to this 868. All right. That's my final add-in.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Wow. Are you on laughing gas, bro? Damn, is it gonna take up these fucking lows? I don't know, man. Really don't want to fucking hold it down there. Is this guy still speaking? Let me look it up. Or they're waiting for him to speak still. Jack, I'm used to this. It's all good. Just wait. You'll see.
Bully Bears always wins.
I was trying to tell him
that I can be his dentist. And I'll cut off just the top.
fuck, guys. I might have to restart TikTok. Got me in a loop. We good though, homies. We good. Let's look at the 5. We still got room. I wish it's at least 912s. I do want to see it start taking out the highs. But this is the, I guess it's the whole Head and Shoulders a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna restart TikTok, guys. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, we're back. Just pulling back a little bit. This should bounce to the upside. The first fair value gap that it pointed green. Came back, bounced in, and now we should start launching. Now we can do a safe bet at 900s, at least some of it out.
Daddy, is that you?
Ooh.
Panda, thanks for the follow, and welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
What's your take profit at? So we're gonna scale out some here, maybe at 902. We're gonna see if it takes this high at 914, and then we'll have 2 or 3 left. I want to see if it takes out this high at 943. If it starts reversing on us, we'll just get out. We'll just get out.
Order filled.
Make sure this guy's not speaking. Okay. Let's look at the 5. Okay, it's fighting the cloud here. Let's see how it reacts. So we will have, I'll put it here for you guys now. Right before this VWAP. Then we'll see probably.
Think Capital isn't your typical prop firm. We're backed by Think Markets.
Then probably we'll see if it wants to take out this 915s. And then the last one, we're going to see if it finally wants to take out this. So you see all my lines here? This is where I'm looking for. There's a lot, but there's a lot of different levels here. says unoriginal content and reproduced content. Why? Bro, I'm telling you, I'm fucking cursed on here. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Next step is contact somebody somehow. I can't fucking contact fucking TikTok. I just got flagged again, bastard. I don't know what to do. I'll peel it. Nothing's different from yesterday. Nothing. The only thing I put was original content.
These fuckers wanna fuck with me? Put them in the dungeon. Put them in the dungeon.
Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm literally playing by the rules, plus. And those guys are playing copyright music, everything. I got no copyright music. I got nothing. I'm at the point, like, if I could pay somebody to tell me what I'm doing wrong in there, I will. But I'm not even getting, like, swipe throughs, man. I'm not getting shit. Right click, sell, buy, limit, stop. Each broker is different. Sometimes they have the drag and drop, but most Tradevate people don't have it. If they're waiting for Trump, that's why he's not moving. He's still not in. He's still not talking. Yeah, I've Googled everything, and it says it just gives me the reason why, but then I look, and I don't have any of those reasons. Maybe I can ask this Copilot thing. It's been really good. trying to see what this says. Yeah, I'm not sure why. It keeps telling me, show your face, do this, they'll do a loop. Nothing. See, now I have an abundance of people coming through. It's very fucking weird, guys. Yeah, it's waiting for Mr. Trump. 5-minute rejection off the cloud. But, she didn't meet the low, but it's ahead. Let's see if this makes sense. Oh, somebody's talking. Who is this? Why do I feel like it came from my phone? That was... Who's speaking? My bad. Is that Shaq? No. Still learning this thing. Oh, okay. Cool. So you're thinking that, Damn, is that coming from my phone, bro? Did you hack me? I'm just joking. Bro, where's this sound coming from? It's throwing me the fuck off. You sound like you're coming from one of my side things.
Daddy? Is that you?
Ooh, let's see. No, it's coming from like a different, like my iPad or something somewheres. But everybody else is showing their take profit, everything.
Pina, thanks for the follow. And welcome to Bully Bears Trading.
Yeah, I don't know. This thing is so sensitive, dude. It's on a different level. I'm on 5 micros right now, Garcon. But there's about 10 other people live right now showing everything with hundreds of viewers. What you're doing now, what to try instead, showing live trades, show past trades, recorded, blur the broker. I don't have the broker up. Oh, I do have this, fucker. I'm gonna have to. Where did you get this, Shaq? No, yeah, he meant to talk to me, Money Shot. 6K for the week, Brooklyn? Hell yeah. Good job. Fucking killing it, dude. Oh, you asked ChatGPT for that? I've been asking it, but yours is a different response I've ever seen. But you go and look at other people, they got like 100 viewers or more, and well, I pay for Plus. They got 100 viewers or more.
Order filled.
And they're fucking getting way more people. Alright, first target hit, guys. First target hit. Damn it, I fucked this up. Right to VWAP. I had to move this around, it fucked me up. Well, I did have a fucking plan here, now it looks really terrible. Let's see, this is your answer. They whitelisted, partnered, or lucky. Well, they must be fucking lucky, because they're getting... They were followers, they got everything. Dude, I'm telling you, I was fucking... My shit was packed, bro, packed, and now it's for months. It's been 5 viewers. What's my red days look like? Between like 5 and 1,000. It all depends on my account size. I usually like to build it up though a little bit, my day, and then I'll start going a little heavy. So like my first 2 trades might only be, say I make 200 bucks, then the next one I can start, you know, risking the 500, and then I'll keep going. Because when I lose that, then I'm only really down 250. You gotta feel out the market. And right now, this is a wild market right now. It's waiting for Mr. Trump. He ain't speaking yet. Oh, he's speaking now. He's speaking now, guys. Yeah, Shaq, I'm gonna look at all these. Thank you for posting this. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna go one by one. Or verified accounts. I mean, I can verify my account. That's not a problem. Maybe I'll try that. Yeah, I got the live. I just didn't want to play it.
Order filled.
All right, that was another one on Top Step X. Yeah, he does minis, bro. He's gangster. I'm a micro guy. Yeah, I usually don't like to trade during the news too, so we're gonna keep an eye on this, for sure. Like, wouldn't it be a bad idea if I take out just one more on Top Step X?
Order
So
filled.
now I only have 2 open for Top Step X, and my Take Profit Trader is a fucking huge account, so I'm not really too worried about that. I definitely want to blur this out somehow. Control Shift and T. Oh, this is all 3. Shit. figure it out. I don't know. That's the only problem. It wants this up. Maybe I can put it over here instead. I gotta make sure you can see it on the damn. See, now I got 9 people in here. Very weird shit. Hashtag weird. Let's see. Win trades. Alright. Awesome. Because you followed me, but you see that you have 1520. I guess you're already trading like that, so you're fine for okay today. But you know, starting after this, because I'm pretty sure that's going to make you green for today, just size it down. Just size it down. I promise you, you could be a good trader. It's just that, you know, the news is whipping you around. I think we're going to hit 916s. I think you'll be okay there. But I'm saying in the future, try micros. It's a funded. This is what I'm talking about. Now, like, my viewership is going up. It's not an eval. If it's funded, you're going way too high in price. I mean, in size. See, imagine I have 5 of these accounts. I have 3 live ones, but times this by Take Profit Trader has 5. You can have up to 5. So it'll be $2,600 just on Take Profit Trader. Going slow. Same thing with Top Step.
Sometimes when you want to move fast, you gotta take it slow.
Still really low volume here. You can see that it's kind of chopping around. Gray bars means that it doesn't know what it wants to do with trend style, so it's not strong. But that's mostly for my signals. On YT and the other platforms, I am slowly getting viewerships here and there. I only have 4 on there. But you know what? For YT and that's pretty good. You know, eventually, start to double and double. It takes a while to get noticed on those. And I expected that. Just not TT. Ooh, that was a big statement by Trump. He said money is coming in from August 1st from tariffs. Israel and Trump will be meeting tonight. They're gonna make a deal. And it might only be like a 5% difference, but guess what? That 5% is billions and billions. We needed to change it. We did. Regardless of what people think, when it comes to money, you gotta have a fair deal. Gotta have a fair deal. You know, the process of getting there, not everybody agrees, but just think about you personally. You wouldn't want to spend that. Just trying to make sense of it all for you guys. No politics, just money-wise. Money, money, money. Money. And you got the guys on TikTok. Are they making money like me, or maybe they're making maybe they're better than me? Bet you they didn't show everything though. Money. Ooh. Probably two. This is where it gets risky, guys. So if it does come back down too much, we're probably gonna get out. Don't want to risk too much. Let's see how it ends here. It ends with us. They might want to touch this and do a huge bounce. That's why I'm like hesitant on closing it. But we obviously don't want to give back too much money. What do you guys think? What's your indicator telling you, Holmes? Staying near the VWAP? Yep, right here. Still rejecting it. A 1200 for today? Hell yeah. Very nice. Later, Shaq. Thanks for joining, man. U.S. Treasury Secretary 8%. We received 100 billion in tariffs so far. Could increase to 300 billion by the end of the year. That's a lot of money coming in. It's got to get past this yellow zone here. You guys are wondering why it's taking its sweet time. It's because a lot of speaking going on right now.
Want to get rid of this visceral fat? Check this out.
This is how to get in shape fast.
What is the best?
Order filled.
Another one. Alright, we got 2 left. Christine, what's up?
Another one. Are you not entertained? Let's make this fucking money.
Same to you, Christine. Same to you. I don't know what it wants to do here, so just be careful. Watch it. Gotta buy Bitcoin, bro. I have a full Bitcoin. It is definitely going slower than I thought, crypto. We're still waiting for that interest rate cut. Alright, so if you're curious what this box is, from this top, which is the high, all the way to the bottom, you have this pullback zone here. Most of the time, this is resistance. If we were to go to like a 15-minute chart, it goes almost to the candle that reversed. So this is a nice zone here for the reversal. So you got to be careful. Doesn't mean it's going to. It's just a place of interest. So you're going to realize on why it's resisting. So that's why the bounce, you can trade off of it, but you can also look at it as a tool to figure out where the price is going to go.
to the top, make it drop. That's some good wet AP.
You like how I edit those words out? Professional. Professional. Still looking good. Man, it either wants the highs or it doesn't. 42 to 50 would probably be the next. But then again, like, hey, why don't we just take out these highs? It doesn't know what it wants. The thing says up now. Let's check for 30 seconds. Let's see. L7. Green box. Does it just assist you or does it help you with entries? Like it helps you like... Oh, gotcha. Alright, no matter what, Top Step X, I'm locking $88 left on that. We're looking for 300 bucks. I wish you could slide this, but you can't. So it's deciding here on what it wants to do. Remember I explained this, from this top to this bottom is the 61% pullback. You know, sometimes those reject. It's a large one too. But on a larger one, it needs... I've been in a buy recart. If you guys don't mind. Actually.
You won't mind. If you're in here and you're not following, hit that follow button. Join the elites. Daddy? Is that you? Daddy? Your name's Dot, but thank you for joining Bully Bears Trading. Welcome to the team. VIP.
Yeah, sometimes it gets too overwhelming, confusing, so you have to... You can't put everything into it. On your indicator you're building. I'm gonna get a buy out of this. It's looking pretty good for that buy. You have a kind of a trend line here, right? Bouncing off, building the story. They usually don't like to buy the first one out unless you can build the story. And it looks pretty good. Gotcha. Yeah, he's talking. That's why it's going back and forth. My man Liberty. Love seeing when he's in here. Yeah, he's talking right now, so it's going back and forth a little bit, but it's a nice grind up. He's saying some bullish things. Let's see what he's saying now.
Daddy? Is that
Says we
you?
received 100 billion tariffs so far, could increase to 300 billion by the end of the year. That's fucking bullish. Trump, I've spoken to some of our perceived enemies. Trump, I am not happy with Putin. I am dealing with him. We're going to step up defense contractors. They manufacture too slowly. Ooh.
Eaton, thanks for the follow. Welcome to Bully Bears Trading. You're now a VIP elite.
Still waiting. Remember, at any time, this can start reversing on us. Still gotta be careful. I'm gonna say like 905 is like that line in the sand for me. But we're looking for those 943s. There you go, Daddy.
There you go, Daddy. Keep moving. Alright, we're getting an overbought orange. Let's see if it wants to rip up. Let's look at the news. We got a lot of BS from Putin, he says. Everything evening out. Look at this. Daddy! Daddy! Daddy, are you home? Alright, we're at the 78. Let's see if we blow off this top, baby. Let's go. There you go, Daddy. Hashtag DADD motherfucking Y.
Order filled.
DADD motherfucking Y. I'm okay with taking profit right here.
Order filled.
I'm okay.
Order filled.
Are you not entertained? Daddy.
Come on, what a fucking nice trade. It can still go up. I wonder if it wants this 15-minute high. We're gonna have to see. We have a few levels here, right?
Think Capital isn't your typical prop firm.
You have this one.
Think Markets, giving you the power and security of a top-tier broker. Whether you're just
And This is kind of annoying, this thing here.
Think Capital helps you trade confidently without risking your own money. Our challenges fast-track you to a funded account, letting you keep up to 90% of the profits. And with TradingView, you can analyze, execute, and manage all your trades in one seat.
We got one more here. Which one does it want, boys and girls? Funded Zaddy. I like it. What's that gold indicator called? These are mine. You have to join my Discord to go to VIP section. It's free for 30 days. After that, it does cost $1 a day. This new one, I promise, guys, I'm gonna get it out to you guys. I just testing it, but it has been fucking phenomenal. We have everything covered in between. We got our aggressive move signals. We have a reversal signal. And then we got our bounce areas or target zones, however you want to use it. Regardless, watch me for a bit. Don't just blindly, take my word for it. Try it out. Pretend I'm a stranger. Oh, we moving, bro. What the fuck did he say? Wow, Trump is saying some fucking... Oh, no. I'm sorry. I thought he was saying Putin. I said, that's kind of wild what he said. He said, Powell should resign immediately. He does need to lower the interest rate. But, guys, this build-up, right? This build-up. If he fucking lowers it, it's going to be insane. Insane. And we're going to have crypto fucking boom time, baby. Trump, South Korea should be paying for their own military, so I'm guessing he just said we pay for them. Which is right. You want protection? What happens in the real world when you ask for protection? You pay for security, right? Same concept. Not unheard of, guys. August 1st is not the change, it's a clarification. And he said maybe. You can't put maybe at the end of that statement. You're saying, hey, your advice to use MNQ, but my issue with it is I have to take more trades and more exposure trial. You do, but you need to realize that you are going to be wrong. So when you size down and you're wrong, which you are going to be wrong, that blunt hit on you is going to be less and you can survive another day. What's it matter if it takes 2 days extra to trade? If it takes you 2 extra days to trade, fine. But if you keep blowing accounts because you're sizing too high, and now what happens? You just lost time, and what do you try to do? You're trying to get that time back. So now you're going full port again, and what happens? You end up losing. Or guess what? Hey, you pass your funded, you just paid another $150 to clarify it, and then you blow it the next day. Or maybe in 2 days you blow it. So when you're wrong, exactly, Yoger on YT, when you're wrong with 10 contracts, you're fucked. And you're completely right. No other way to explain it. You're fucked. Even 10 micros, you're kind of fucked. But you can handle it. You can survive another day if you know how to trade. So it's best to find the happy medium. And it all depends on your account size too. So when you have micros, you can adjust it a little bit. you can adjust it with, you know, instead of taking 2 minis, you can take 6 micros or 4 micros, you know, you can adjust in between. Telling you, it's a huge factor and it's hard to learn. Your emotions are very powerful. And it depends on your account size, right? They give you 50K account, right? But you don't really truly only have 2,000. Get that in your head. You only have $2,000. Are you gonna put $2,000 in a fucking 10-point move? Because I promise you, the best traders in the world don't have the high of a percentage. You know, Mr. Bully Bears himself has a lot. Got a 71.97% win rate right now. It was 84, but again, I fucking sized down. I lost a little bit.
Creators looking for an edge over the competition? Get 50% off and stand out with just a click. No mics, no retakes, just seamless, high-quality audio. So save 50% with 11 Labs and level up your game.
All right, so we did break that one high. I don't know if this is it, guys. I don't know. We did break below this fair value gap. It could be. I'm just a little cautious, but this would be a huge drop down right now to at least 896, but I'm not sure if it wants this one or this one, so pick your poison there. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's look in the 5. I mean, this is clear as day is resistance. It's also a huge resistance, you know? It's the high of the pre-market. I don't know, guys. I don't know. You guys know? I gotta get off in like 5 minutes, guys. Summer's here. I gotta do some family shit. Oh, all right. So it's getting challenging here. Let's see. He said Bricks is 10%. Bricks is getting a 10% charge pretty soon. Trump, America should collect from nations that ripped us off. I'm just nervous of war. Man, this looks so good. I want to put one in.
Order filled.
We're doing one short to start it. If people want to challenge the dollar, they'll pay a price. Yo, he's gangsta, bro. Trump, we're probably 2 days off from sending the EU letter. A letter is a deal. That means in 2 days, we're either ripping up or fucking pulling back really hard. Only because it's a shock, but in the long run, we're going up. top of the wick and that big green. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm up in the air in this one. That is a huge wick. You were right. Huge wick. That's very bearish. If it closes below 924, we're going down. And Trump just said I can go higher with tariffs. Wow.
Order filled.
He is gangster right now, guys. There it goes. Said it could have been much harsher on the trade. I didn't want to hurt him. He could have. He could have. All right, so safe bet 887s. Wish I got in a little more. All right, Ram, later. So this could be a good zone here too. Let's see if it wants to go down just a little bit more. It's gonna get real whippy, so be careful. Honestly, I might just fucking take.
Order filled.
I might just take. I wish I did 2 on this one. My top step, I'm up fucking $700 on that one, so I'm cool. See, this is a pullback bounce area. You call the drop before it happens? Hell yeah. Sweet, bro. Was a really nice move. Whoever said that wick took 2 out for a quick 130, my fucking man. I'm up 225 on 2 micros. Damn, I guess you guys are all fucking positive. I was unsure. Whoever said that 5-minute wick, or the top of the green wick, good call. I mean, we were looking at this, but you made me have a little bit more confident in it. 950, good. Holy shit, good job. You guys are fucking killing it. Just be careful. Just careful on your sizing. But so far, you guys look really good. Fair value gap. I'm gonna do one more.
Order filled.
Maybe it was an idiot move, but it's okay. I'm up a lot of money. At 5-minute though, it needs to close below this.
If you guys are in here and you're not following me, I demand you to hit that follow or you're going in my dungeon.
Maybe I got a little cocky in that one. I fucked it up. Let's see what happens. See how it finishes here. Remember, he's talking. He's saying wild shit, so this can go right back up. Maybe I fucked it up. I feel like I chased a tad bit on this one. On my express top step, I got out pretty good. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I think it's gonna go down too. I just I don't know if it's gonna be a flush. Mr. Trumpster is talking. We did close above this fair value gap. That's what's throwing me off. But if it closes below this, we should be good for another little sweep. My problem is that we didn't take out this high. So which one does it want to do? I see multiple ones. That's why I'm going back and forth. I see multiple scenarios here. Later, Holmes. Good trading me, bro. I have to get off in about 2 minutes. I'll let my screen run for a bit. Yeah, I'm on a 1 minute, unless you want me to go to 30 second. Release good into 903s, I think. And then if it doesn't want to hold, it's going to sweep this low, 840. But it's toying around here. I'm moving this up because I got to walk away. I got to get ready. I'll leave it running for just a little longer. And then we'll check it out just before I log off to leave. Leave it on for 3 hours, so. I think it's good at least until VWAP. You got another bounce area here. If I see anything while I'm out, I'll hit it up in Discord. Links in my bio. We're growing slowly. We're at 150. Not too bad for only a couple months. Still waiting for this to fucking reject a little bit more. Is he done talking? The short here is a little bit random. Damn, I don't want this to go up. I feel like it wants to go up, guys. I keep seeing two scenarios. It's kind of pointing up. It wants to go down and wants to go up at the same time. 5 minutes, bullish as fuck. Fuck. Be careful, boys. Be careful. I might actually close this. Looking at the 5, look at it. Pulled back right to the cloud and it's about to break above this. Yes, there's a fair value gap here, but we got to see how it reacts. I'm up in the air in this one, guys. I'm sorry. I'm back and forth. You know, I'm usually pretty straightforward on what I see, but I see mixed things here, and that's part of trading. All right, while we're waiting, I'm gonna do my closing. Let's see, you might like right there. If you're not, you can join my Discord in the bio. If I'm not on, I'll be talking in there. If you guys ever have any questions, I'll be in there to answer. I'm usually pretty good with it. I will be live tomorrow. I'm not sure I'll be on for Power Hour. I'm gonna be going out with the family and shit like that. Today we did pretty well. We're up about 2,000 altogether. Not too bad. We've been doing this, knock on wood, every day. We're gonna have a nice payout pretty soon, hopefully. Pay some of these fucking bills. If you're curious in my indicators on their VIP section, there's a 30-day free trial. After that, it's about $1 a day. It's pretty cheap, in my opinion, compared to others. If I'm not on today, I will be on tomorrow morning at New York Open, 9:30 Eastern. Other than that, I'm going to let this run a little bit, and then maybe we'll talk about what I see, but definitely want to get out a little bit. Should swipe down. See, I'm up in the air because I'm like, does it want to come back up and get this high? Or does it want to come down and take out this low? And I hope you guys did pretty well. And remember, don't size up too high. Take your time. Take your time. And if you're not following, hit that follow button.
Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day, boys and girls. Go touch some grass. It's nice out.
Order filled.
Just before I get off, I'm not liking it back and forth. We still made a lot of money on it. I gave back 30 bucks. It happens.
Just imagine the frustration. You've put your hard-earned money on the line, and on top of that, you paid for an indicator that gave you this signal, only for it all to fail. It's infuriating, and it's a shame that some indicator creators essentially scam their users by relying on outdated data or poorly designed algorithms. These tools can be more harmful than helpful, misleading traders and causing significant losses. But what if there was an indicator that was different? One that doesn't just guess, but actually calculates with precision. Meet the Smart Algo Pro V3, an advanced trading tool specifically designed to provide precise buy and sell signals based on a sophisticated algorithm. Unlike many other indicators on the market, the Smart Algo Pro V3 uses a combination of price action and moving averages to analyze market trends and identify potential trading opportunities with a high degree of accuracy. This algorithmic approach is what sets the Smart Algo apart from other indicators. But accuracy isn't the only thing that makes this indicator stand out. This indicator is also highly customizable and packed with powerful features designed to give traders every possible edge. From supply and demand zones to reversal signals and trend lines, it includes everything you need to make informed trading decisions. Whether you are a short-term trader looking for quick opportunities or a long-term investor who likes to hold on to trades longer to maximize profits, the Smart Algo Pro V3 can be tailored to fit your specific trading style. But the thing that makes this indicator really stand out is how customizable it is. Through this gear icon, you can simply change the sensitivity of the buy and sell signals, going from 1 all the way to 15. So if you are a scalper, you would want to use lower sensitivity such as 2. But if you like to take your time and hold your trades for multiple days or even weeks, you can go for much higher sensitivity. You can also change the moving average filter for those signals. If you want to get useful and accurate signals that align with your strategy, it's worth it to play around with these two settings. But we aren't done here. In this menu, you can quickly select any of these indicators to appear on your chart. You want to quickly check support and resistance levels? No problem. You want to see a change of character and break of structure to confirm your trades? No worries, it's also there. Supply and demand, retest zones, trend lines, reversals, and so much more. It even features automatic take profits, whether you are just starting or have been in the market for years. Now you might be hearing all of this and feeling a surge of excitement, eager to try out the Smart Algo Pro and all its features, and you definitely should. It has the potential to be a game changer in your trading journey. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that no matter how good an indicator is, it should never be followed blindly, especially without any prior knowledge or understanding of the market. Remember, trading is as much about knowledge and experience as it is about tools and indicators. The Smart Algo Pro V3 is designed to assist and enhance your trading, not replace judgment and strategy. It's a tool to be used in conjunction with a comprehensive understanding of market dynamics, not a magic wand that guarantees success. That's why it's essential to know what you're doing, why you're doing it, and when to make your moves in the market. Relying solely on an indicator, no matter how advanced, without a proper strategy is like sailing without a compass. So while the Smart Algo Pro V3 is an incredibly powerful tool, remember to use it wisely and within the context of a broader, well-thought-out trading plan. As we wrap up this video, I highly encourage you to check out the Smart Algo Pro V3 through the link down below. Explore its features, see for yourself how it can enhance your trading strategy, and experience the difference of using an indicator that is truly designed to work with you, not against you. And while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on trading tools, strategies, and market analysis. Your trading journey can only get better from here, so make sure you stay tuned for more videos and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
right, boys and girls, see what we did here. Oh, so it did end up reversing. Sergio, thanks for the follow. Sorry I wasn't there for it. I went to the bathroom. I'm going to be getting off for the rest of the day, though. Again, if you guys want to have any questions, just ask me in Discord. I'll get back to you. And if I see anything, I will be typing in the general chat. But so far, really good trading. And good job, guys. Later, Money Shot. It's great to have you in here, too, by the way. You keep me company. Later, Mr. Bastard. It looks like it's going to be choppy anyway, at least until probably power hour, so. Trade lightly. Don't give back your profit. Adios, guys.